Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and with popular features. Take a ride in 2012 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.